guys, today I wanted to show you a wig accessory that I thought you guys would love. Alright, so I wanted to come on here today and I wanted to show you guys this wig accessory that I found on Amazon that I have been using for the past almost 2 weeks. And I am absolutely obsessed and in love with it. And I wanted to come on here and I wanted to show you guys because I feel like I can't keep this to myself because I think it's absolutely amazing. Let's go ahead and talk about this awesome product that I still haven't even shown you. It's this really cool combination of two things that we all use when we wear wigs. And one of them is a wig grip, which you see right here. And it's a nice wig grip, one that has the lace part in it and all of that awesome stuff. And we have a wig cap and they're attached to each other. So this is totally awesome because if you're like me, you like what wig grips do, but you don't like a couple things about wig grips. So one thing I don't like about wig grips is they tend to be a little bit bulky and they kind of add some height to the space between your wig and your skin, and it can cause it kind of to have like a little bit of a lift in between, and I don't like that bulk. So that's one thing I'm not a huge fan of wig grips for that reason. Another thing is if I'm wearing a wig that has a really nice lace or is a little bit more of a transparent lace, you can see where a wig grip stops because it very bluntly, like it starts, also stops. And this right here aside, take this cap aside, the wig grip itself on here solves every single thing I don't like about wig grips. It has lace on the front, not just on the part, but all along this front area where if you were putting on a synthetic lace front wig, you would also have lace. So there's a couple cool things about this. One, it's gonna make this wig grip blend into your skin and your scalp and everything better, which is one thing I don't like about wig grips. It's also going to blend better in with the lace, blend better in with the hair, and it also is a lot thinner than your traditional wig grip, but it still has that same velvety kind of material that grips onto the wig and holds the wig in place. Another cool thing about this is it has this really nice wig cap on it. So I am someone who likes to wear wig caps. I feel like it kind of flattens down my hair, gives me a nice smooth look. I don't care for the wig grips because, like I said, it has a stop and I tend to wear a wig cap. So the cool thing about these wig caps is a couple things. A, it's not a nylon wig cap. It's not like a cheap like pantyhose wig cap. It's actually this really nice, soft, kind of almost like wicking material, kind of like what a workout shirt would be made, like a workout like tank top would be made out of, or like workout shorts. It's very thin. It feels very like soft and smooth, which would also probably be a big benefit for someone who has maybe a sensitive scalp, where you might have, a skin condition that's causing your, need to, wear wigs or whatever it might be. Maybe you don't have any hair at all. This is a very soft and smooth feeling. It feels way better than any normal wig cap. The other nice thing is this blends seamlessly, not seamlessly because there are seams, but it blends really well right into the start of the wig grip. So there isn't a bump, there isn't anything crazy here, and it still gives you that one solid uniformed look. Another really cool thing about this is one of the things that I'm not a huge fan about wig caps is that I have a weird shaped head. I'm part of the Weird Shaped Head Club. And whenever I put on a wig cap, it always slides up in the back, moves backwards on my head, or whatever. It moves a lot. With this, it's not going anywhere because essentially this wig grip right here is what's gonna hold your wig cap in place. And then another really cool thing is a lot of times when you're wearing wig caps or wig grips or anything on your head for that matter, you always worry about blending into your forehead and your hairline. And because there's lace here, technically if you wanted to, you could also spray this lace down onto your hair to kind of have it blend in more, to have a place where you could, essentially glue your wig down to instead of right directly onto your skin. There's a lot of really cool and awesome benefits that go into this awesome, amazing package that I am absolutely obsessed with, and I probably am gonna just use this all the time now. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notifications on all the videos I do in the future. And if you like this video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.